Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? A very happy Mahashivaratri to all you people out there. May Lord Shiva bless you with all health, wealth, and happiness, and He fulfill all your wishes and give you happiness and always be there for you whenever you need Him. Today, being the most powerful day of Shivratri, many people would be doing a lot of tips. Many people will be going to the temple. Many people will have various activities in mind to do for Lord Shiva. But I would like to say one thing today: thank Him, because they say that He took the poison to save the world. Thank Him, because if it was not for Him, then the world would not be there today. So thank Him for being there. Thank Him for always blessing you. Thank Him for always standing by you, supporting you, and answering to your prayers in one way or the other. We all have a lot of wishes can never stop from a man's life. Everyone always has one desire or the other, one special thought or the other. So why not just thank him that he's always there and he's blessing us, and he's always fulfilling our wishes. Today I'm taking out my set of personal favorite cards to see. This is the cards usually which I use for my card readings also, to see what is the Shiva's message for you all. See, when I see this card, I feel, that you are happy that everything is there. But Shiva also says that spread the happiness. I feel when I see this card that, spread the happiness around. Don't sit back and think everything is still not done. I still need to achieve more. I agree. There are things which you feel you might not have achieved and you need to achieve more. But there's nothing wrong in being happy with what we have, having gratitude with what we have, because maybe with that gratitude, things will change and lots more things will come in life and will bring in happiness in life. Because this, I personally feel, the more you live in gratitude, the more universe blesses you multiple times. Let's see how will your day be. It's a beautiful day. Career wise, it's going to be good. I feel most of you all are going to be happy throughout the day. Enjoy your day, be it work wise or be it personal life wise. And I feel there's a lot of blessings and happiness around you, because when I see this card, I just feel a person smiling at whatever achievements they have done or whatever good things that have come. At the same time, I would like to pull one more card to see what is being Shivratri so special. So, okay, so it's the Seven of Wands. Maybe a day of hard working. You will work hard. But I would also say one thing, that today is Shivratri. So, first thing, go to some Shiva temple. If you can't go to a temple, then just chant Om Namah Shivaya 1 or 2 times. Thank him for always being there for you. And offer him some prasad just for him, something which he likes. Offer him a prasad, and then you can have that prasad and you can give it to your family members also. If you can also feed some poor people in the name of Lord Shiva today, then the blessings will be multifold. And today the color has to be blue. So either it's dark blue or light blue, but wear something in blue, just dedicating today's day completely to Shiv Bhagwan, so that he is happy that people are just not coming to him out of need, but also out of happiness and gratitude, that he is always there for them. Om Namah Shivaya.